Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. Today's video is about the Smooth Scroller extension. More than once you may have noticed that the scrolling experience on your website could be smoother. It feels like shifting through slides instead of going through a long page. Usually, this not-so-great scrolling motion is the default for everyone. Your audience might want a good scrolling experience, which is lacking due to the native settings. Landing pages with a content flow suffer from this. But you can enhance this scrolling experience with fine-tuning by CSS and JavaScript to create an animation effect that adds a smooth scrolling experience. To do this, you can go to your WordPress dashboard inside the ZoloBlocks menu and navigate to the Extensions tab. There, you can turn on the Smooth Scroller extension, and that's it. Now you will experience a smooth scrolling motion whenever you scroll your landing page. And just like this, your audience will have a better experience in navigating your website. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!